In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide archived Loom video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move a recording out of sight without deleting it, so your workspace stays tidy while you keep the file safely stored for later. First, open Loom and head to the For You page. This is your personal home base inside Loom, and it's where you'll land when you start the app or visit the site. Think of it as your dashboard. It surfaces your recent and relevant recordings so you can quickly jump back into your work. From there, click on Library. You'll usually find Library in the main navigation. Library is the best place to manage your recordings because it shows a complete view of your content, not just what's recent. If you organize with folders or shared spaces, you'll see those here too, making it easy to find exactly what you want to hide. Now, locate the video you want to hide. When you see it, click the three dots next to the video's title or thumbnail. Those three dots open a context menu with all the actions available for that recording. If you don't see the menu right away, hover over the video row or thumbnail and it should appear. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct video before you proceed, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. In the menu that appears, click on Archive. Archiving moves the video out of your main library view and into your archived items, which effectively hides it from your everyday workflow. This is a great way to reduce clutter without losing your work. It's also reversible, so if you change your mind later, you can bring the video back to your active library. Keep in mind, archiving doesn't change the video's privacy or sharing settings. If someone already has the link and the video is set to be viewable, they can still watch it. Archiving simply tucks it away from your primary browsing areas so it's out of sight while you keep your workspace organized. After you click Archive, you may notice a quick confirmation or a small toast message, and the video will disappear from the current list. That's your signal the action worked. If you plan to reference the video later, consider noting its title or adding a brief description beforehand so it's easy to recognize when you need to find it again. And that's it. Open the For You page, go to Library, use the three-dot menu on your chosen video, and select